Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am here with this Diwali makeup look. So this is what I am going to wear. Yeah, this is a get ready with me for you guys and I hope you guys will like this look because I absolutely love it. I wanted to wear this suit from super long and like I have this since when? July and June I guess. Yeah, and I did not get a chance to wear this. Finally I'm wearing this and yeah, paired up with these jewelry because it's a very nice mint green sort of a color and I just wanted a little bit of pop of color in my outfit, so I'm wearing all these jewelries. It's even complementing my lips and I hope you guys will enjoy this look, and if you do, don't forget to give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. For all the behind the scenes, you can just follow me on my social media handles. Everything is flashing right here, Facebook and Instagram. Even you can check everything in my description box. All the details are there. And yeah, I think without wasting much time, let's get into this tutorial. First, for my primer, I'll be taking the Sugar Base of Glory. This is their pore minimizing primer. I'm going to apply this on the center of my face. For my foundation, I'm taking Maybelline 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm going to dot this all over my face and blend it out with a beauty sponge. Make sure your sponge is nicely wet. Now for my concealer, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and this is in the shade 10 Light, and I'll be highlighting and concealing the highest points of my face. And now to set my face, I am going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder and this is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And now for my contouring, I am taking this Wet n Wild Glow Contouring Palette and I'll be applying this on the parameters of my face. Now I'm going to fill in my brows off the camera, and for that I'm taking this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. From Maybelline Sitting Mini Palette, I'm taking this brown shade and this is in the shade 5th Avenue Sunset. I'm going to apply this on the crease and blend it out in the back and forward motion. Even I'm applying this on the outer V. Next I'm taking this shimmer right here and I'll apply this on the rest of my eyelids. I'm going with the brush and making sure there are no harsh edges. Now I'm going with this green right here from the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette. And I'm going to apply this on the inner corners of my eyes just to give it a nice pop of color. And now for tight lining and bottle lining, I'm taking Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. Next, from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, I'm taking this green right here and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Again going with this shade right here, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And now I'm going to draw a small wing liner, and for that I'm taking this Sugar Cosmetic Arrested for Overstay Waterproof Eyeliner 01 I'll Be Blank. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to apply some Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Now for my blusher, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me blusher, and this is in the shade Wine. And I just realized that I did not actually contour my nose, so going again with the same Wet n Wild powder and doing my nose contouring. And now for my highlighter, I'm taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm going to hit this on the tops of my face. Next for the lipstick, I'm taking the Sugar Metallic lipstick, I guess. I'm not very much sure. I'm going to put everything in the description box. You can just check it out. So this is in the shade 12 Talata. So guys, that's the look. I hope you all enjoyed how I am looking. I actually love how I am looking because I'm going to wear this and click loads and lots of pictures. So yeah, I can post on my Instagram as well. So you can just go and follow me on my social media handles, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified each time I come up with a new video. And yeah, that's it for this Get Ready With Me. We'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.